Just north of Prachuap Kiri Khan, on the western shores of the Gulf of Thailand, is Wat Ao Noi, a beautiful Buddhist temple with two reclining Buddhas in a nearby cave. Okay, so I've climbed the 294 steps or whatever it is to get up here, and it was quite easy, not too bad, but early in the morning, it's only about 7:30, and now I've come across the entrance to the cave. It looks a little bit dark. It says use a flashlight. I haven't got one, so I'm gonna have to use the light on my phone, I suppose. It's okay, I found a switch, so I've got some light. Yeah, it's a beautiful cave with two reclining Buddhas, and you've also got these, I'm not quite sure if they're monks or Buddhas here, kind of keeping like a guard on this one reclining Buddha here. It's quite accessible. I mean, you know, if a 62-year-old overweight guy wearing sandals like me can get in here. After leaving the cave, I came across the local community quite literally pulling together to launch a fishing boat. The next day, a different adventure, this time to Wat Khao Chong Krachok, a hilltop temple that overlooks the town of Prachuap Kiri Khan. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I'm up here at Wat Khao Chong Krachok to check out the sunrise. To get back safely to my car, I had to pass these monkeys, which I did without incident, fortunately.